Alright, we'll get the hood open and we'll start it up. The door shut good. It's up there in the middle. Just gonna get a good little video walking around the car while you're raising the hood, and then we'll start it up. Centerline Combo Pros. This is a 68 Chevelle 300, which doesn't have the reverse lights in the bumper, and we have no trim on the rear valance between the tail lights, just that emblem. Start it up. Get this bad boy busted off. There we go. Just turn around, take it back, yeah. That's it.